Okay, so I get questions all the time asking what the status is of our new home, because if you're new here, we had a house fire, and we lost every single thing that we owned. So now we have to start from scratch and rebuild. So Hudson and I went there after school today to just take you on like a little house tour to update you on everything that's going on. So let's do it. Upstairs. It's muddy today, buddy. You like that little step? Hey, bud. Jump.
Upstairs.
Upstairs? Oh, you love going upstairs. Knock on the door. I don't know how to open this, bud. Let me see. There you go. Garage. We'll go in that way from now on. A delivery. What? They delivered it to my house. That's funny. Hudson, you have to say bye, Mom. So the electrical. No, you have to wait for Mom. Okay, no, that's downstairs. Hudson, that's downstairs. This is gonna be all a stone fireplace. This is like a little loft area. Oh, I don't know. Is that what you call it? Okay, let's follow Hudson. It's too dangerous. Up here's where no bedrooms are because I'm a freak. Scared now to have bedrooms upstairs after we had a house fire and I could have lost 2 children. Hi. This is the gym. Okay, so this is the office. And it's gonna have double doors, French doors here, and these are all window. What? This is gonna be our gym. It's pretty, hey? I could work out to this. What do you think, Hudson? This is the gym. Can you exercise? Come exercise. Show me how you jumping jacks. Hudson. All right, that's it for us today. Hey, Hudson. So I wanted to come here though because I hired a decorator who's helping me pick out furniture, table, obviously all the things. And I just wanted to see what it would look like in this space here. It's gonna be so cool. So like here, is it written out on the floor? Yeah, see right there. That's gonna be our island. That's our walk-in pantry. That's gonna be our kitchen sink area. This is where the dining room's gonna be. I got the coolest table. No, not downstairs yet. It's gonna be cool. Okay, let's go. It's too hard for that in here. Okay, look at the view. Pretty. Our master bedroom, by the way. Look at the view. Like, I could survive here. Could we survive here, Hudson? This is Mom's bedroom. Yeah, I think we could survive here. And then this is the master bathroom. This will be the shower. Oh, I can't wait. Cannot wait. I mean, I don't know. But where things go, honestly. This is the closet. I need walls. Okay, guys, I need walls. I can't figure things out. Very excited. Next step is to finish electrical, and then we insulate, and then drywall, and then other things. No, we're not going downstairs. Come on, let's go. Here. Pantry. These are Hudson's and Lily's rooms over here and their bathroom. Oh, that was crooked. And the reason why is because I didn't want rooms upstairs. Yep. I don't want rooms upstairs for them because they need to be by me. I'm like scared. And also what we changed, so we changed that. I moved my office and gym upstairs and then put their rooms, instead of having upstairs bedrooms, I put their rooms on the same level as me. And then the 3 boys, or the 3 bedrooms downstairs for the 3 boys, I changed it. We didn't have this before, but now we have a walkout basement so they can have an exit plan. And it's just the safest house ever.